Hello everyone, I welcome you to this channel. So here, what I'll be doing will be I'll be recreating this dashboard, this Power BI dashboard for Walmart sales. I'll be recreating it um just to show you like a step-by-step process on how to create this. So here you see we'll have KPIs from products to customers to the orders, quantity, profit, as well as the total sales. And then you see we'll have our filters to show the years and then the states. Also, we have our sales trend and our profit trend, the profit by category, as well as sales by category, and then the profit top 10 profitable cities, the top 10 profitable products, and the top 10 profitable customers. So, um, without further ado, I would open Power BI desktop on my device, and then we'll just wait for it to load. We'll just wait while it opens. And it still has to load. Okay, it's done loading. So now I'm just going to move on to um, load the data. It's a CSV file. So this is it. This is our data set. So I'll just open it, and then so now here we have what our data set looks like here, the number of columns, and then of course in a CSV file is separated by commas. Then I'll just load the data straight to Power BI and proceed from there. But just give it a couple of minutes to load.
Okay. Yes, I can.
Okay, so now it's done. So let's just have the data view to see the number of columns we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, back to the report here. So here you can see what we need to do now is to use the DAX formula to have some calculated fields such as total sales, total profits, quantity, and so on. So let me get the total sales first of all. There's going to be a sum of the sales field, right at the sales column. So the next measure will be total profits. Sum of the profit column. And then our next measure, total quantity. Sum of the quantity column. Next will be um next would be total order. And this will be a count of the order ID. So here we'll have total customers. This is going to be a distinct count. A distinct count of customer name. Why it's a distinct count is because you will likely have several customers placing orders. And then the last here will be, let me see, products, total products, which is going to be a distinct count of our products. Distinct counts of the product name. So yeah, we're done. So now what do we want to do? Before I create this any visual here, I want to format this chart area. I want to customize the settings to an extent. I want to increase the height as well as the width. So yeah, I've done that. And also I want to change the color, the wallpaper color, so that it matches what we have in the previous dashboard to an extent. To an extent, there's a match. So, okay, I've done that. So the first KPI here is going to be total sales. So let me format this a bit. Okay, so category label, let me make it white. And then let me increase that font size a little. And then color value, I will also make it white. And I'll reduce this. I'll copy, then paste it. And then this is going to be total profit. I'll paste again. And this time around we'll have total quantity. And I'll paste one more time. And this time around, what do we have? I've gotten the sales quantity, profits. Then we have the orders this time around, total orders. Seven hundred and 776 orders were placed. So next we have here will be um total products. Then last but not the least would be the customers. So I'll just copy again. Now we have our customers. So I just compared to what I had before. So, okay. So I'm done with the area of getting the KPI. So now let me move to creating these charts. Now the first here we have will be yearly sales trend. For the yearly sales trend, what do I want to do? I'll put the total sales and the order dates. You can see how messed up this looks. So for us to have a better looking graph, order date has given us a date hierarchy already. So I'll just remove month, remove quarter, and leave just here, since we're looking at the yearly sales trend. So I'll quickly format this. Let me change the color of the lines. I need the colors quite dark. And also, I want data labels. And yeah, I want the position to be above the line. And then I want to increase the font size of the data labels. And also, I do not want grid lines. So I'm going to turn off these grid lines I'm seeing. Both the horizontal and the vertical grid lines, I'll turn them off. And for the y-axis, since I have data labels, I'm going to turn off the y-axis. And then I still want the x-axis. However, I do not want the title here to show at the bottom, since already we know it's a yearly sales trend. And then I'll turn off the title on the y-axis. And yeah, for the x-axis, I will increase the font size so it's legible and it can be seen. And I think I need this line to have I need the trend to have markers. So also move on to effects. I want to change the background color. And then let me quickly change the title of this chart to our yearly sales trend. And I'm going to increase the font size. I'll change the text color as well to white. And let me quickly do that to values now our x-axis, so it's visible. And then also let me do the same to our data labels. So yeah, that has been done. So come back here, turn on shadow and then visual border. Change the color of the visual border to blue. And then have our corners rounded. And yeah, to save me time on having to format the same chart, apply the same format to the next chart, I will just copy it So for this now, I'll use an area chart, and then what we're going to have here will be our yearly profit trend. So I'll quickly format this, change the title, and then so the title has been changed, and then let me format the color of our visual so it's darker than okay. I think I'm done. And then what's the third here? I want to bring you some more charts like sales by category, profit by category, and which is I'll bring in a column and a bar chart. Let me just copy this out so I don't have to do too much in terms of having to format. Anyways, for this now, I am going to change this chart type to this, and then rather than have it's going to be sales and category, I'll select here. And what I will change the title to be sales by category. Also, I'll format the visual. Column charts, make it look darker. And for here, this is going to be a bar chart. However, this is profit by category. So okay, let me quickly um increase this. Increase the heights. Now, back to formatting the bars. And the next thing I want to do here will be the to look for the top 10 profitable cities. That's going to be a funnel chart. So um, I'll just select the funnel chart and then um, pick profits and then pick cities. And then I'll filter this. I'll apply this filter to show the top 10. I'll take this profit field here and put it here, then apply filter. And then I'll format this. I do not want the conversion rate. However, I want to change the color of the category labels, the font color, to color white. And then I want the data labels to be outside. Okay. So there's all. Okay, so moving on. I would also format the color of the visuals. I need it to look. I need it dark. I need a dark shade of blue. And then for the next, what we have here will be table showing the top 10 profitable customers and products. So for that, I'll just select the table. Then I'll start with products. And then I'll go ahead to filter this. Show the top 10. Then let me go on to format to increase the font size and um, I also need the column header to increase. Just give me time. Let me just format this. Okay, so that's done. We change the background color. Now let's move to then I'll format this as well. Change the background color and the text color. And I'll do the same for the column header. I'll change the text color. And I'll change the background color. However, I need to give this a visual border as well as a shadow. So our formatting is quite uniform. Then make the edges rounded. And then give this a title. Top 10 profitable products will be our title. Then the text color of the title will also be white. So yeah, we have that now. So let me copy this and paste here. So here what we'll have will be customer name. Also, we're still going to filter this. Filter, apply the top and so I've dragged that thing. I've dragged the field there, so the filter has been applied. So let me quickly change the title to the top 10 customers, profitable customers. I'll just leave it as top 10 customers, or rather, top 10 profitable customers. It make more sense. So I've done that. You have the products, you have the customers. Yeah, I think I want to remove that total, the totals rather. Let me turn it off. Let me turn it off here. Okay, so we're quite done. So what we just need to do now is to bring in our filter. So I'll click on filter, and what I want to bring in here will be the states, or rather the cities. No, not the cities, the states. So let me um change the background, and then the slicer header, as well as the values. And the next thing I want to do is to give this a visual border, a shadow, then change the color of the border I've given it, and have rounded corners. And I'll just copy this, paste. And then now let's look at the dates. Let's bring about the date hierarchy so we can filter this to see what the dates we want. We just want to see the years from 2011 to 2014. So yeah, we'll have our filter. So however, the last thing to do here is to give our dashboard a title. So now to do that, we use a text box. So let me quickly apply the effects. Rounded edges. Change the color. And change the background color as well. Then the font. And then increase the font size and the alignment. Mhm. So that's our dashboard. So we can start by filtering to see what our KPIs are in each of these states. And you can see in the state of Arizona, we have 21 customers, 39 products, 40 orders, quantity of 170, and then the total profit was 234.27. And then the total sales was just over 5,000. Then you can see in the year 2014, we had a loss. We incurred a loss in the state of Arizona. And you can see some of the um what's this? This should be profit by category. I didn't remember to change the title there. When you talk about the profit by, and as you can see, back to what I was saying, as you can see for the um profit by category, yeah, you can see some of the items here incurred losses like binders, chairs, machines, storage. And then moving on to the next state, California. California even recorded more in terms of profits. It had more customers and more orders. 236 customers, 506 orders, 432 products, and then more quantity was sold, more profits. And then, although I can see a product category that recorded a loss there when you talk about tables. And then now let's look at Colorado. Colorado, on the other hand, incurred a loss. You can see our yearly profit trend is a loss. It's a big loss. In as much as the sales continue to increase, but the loss was incurred for Colorado. And for Idaho had sales that declined from 2012 to 2014. No sales was recorded in 2011. And then they had just 3 customers in Idaho. And then orders placed were 6, products ordered were 6, and then total quantity was 16. And then you look at Nevada. Nevada had they made profits in Nevada. And then, however, you can see how sales declined from the year between the year 2013 to 2014. And the same thing happened for profits in Nevada. And you can see profitable customers. We have just how many? Because we have just 6 customers, of course. So now for New Mexico, what do we have for New Mexico? For New Mexico, we had a profit though. I think it's actually less than what we had in Nevada. Because for New Mexico, I think we had just how many customers? We had just 4 customers in New Mexico that placed 4 orders, bought 4 products, quantity ordered 20. And in Oregon, we incurred a loss, even though we had 15 customers, which is more than what we have in New Mexico. And then in Utah, in the state of Utah, we incurred a profit. This seems to be the highest profit we have seen so far. Although sales decreased from the year 2013 to 2014, but we still incurred a profit. And in Washington, we incurred a profit, which is even the highest in terms of profits. And then, yes, we say sales increased. We can see there's direct relationship between sales and profits in Washington. Now let's look at the years now. First, for the years, we will just see everything as profits, but then that is where we had an increase. There was a progressive increase in sales as well as profits when you look at it from year to year. For 2011, you can see the amount of sales we had was 24,000, and then you see what our profit was, and see the number of customers we had. In 2012, our customers increased. Also, our number of products ordered also increased, and then it also resulted in an increase in sales as well as profits. In 2013, we also had an increase in our customers, in our products, orders placed, as well as profits. And also in 2014, we also had an increase. This is where we will have the highest in terms of the number of customers, the products, as well as the orders placed, and then the quantity, and then the sales and the profit. So yes, that's our dashboard. So however, yeah, if you derive value from this video, please do well to like, comment, and then also subscribe to this channel. So thank you for your time. I'll be stopping here for now, and then I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.